Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. Clickbank for Beginners Academic. Going to expose you guys how you could make $380 every day with free ads. Yes, you heard it successfully. Loose ads. On this video you will learn how you can get loose commercials from commercials classified websites, and additionally how you can turn that free traffic in a few commissions on Clickbank, so nobody is sharing these facts. So make certain to look at this video till and also, if you are new to my YouTube channel guys, make certain to press that subscribe button and ensure to love this video to guide me for making those informational films that you could discover ways to make cash on Clickbank. So ensure to press that like button. Additionally, if you want to see my primary recommendation on how to make cash online, ensure to watch loose video. The hyperlink could be in description. So the first aspect that you want to get unfastened commercials, free advertisements, you want to go and type inside the unfastened advert form shrink domestic. You may see right here what need to you kind, and so right here you may see you could vicinity loose advertisements on our high visitors categorized internet sites. Friendly keywords focused classes. You could see that you may region free advertisements on these paperwork and get quite a few clicks on your affiliate hyperlinks to reveal you men the site visitors on this internet site. You can see in ultimate month 110,000 viewers. So believe what number of clicks you can get from this form. This is getting 110,000 viewers in step with month. You can see remaining month 130,000 viewers in August. In order, that is lots of human beings that are coming to this website, so you can take benefit of this visitors. And right here you could see also, you may see proper right here 35% of the site visitors is coming from USA. There is lots of ability customers from USA that are going to buy your merchandise from those classified ads. So to expose you guys how you can create your account, simply click here on click on here to vicinity your free advertisements and create your free account. So when you create your unfastened account, they may be going to ship you min activation hyperlink on your email address, and you are going to call in your email address and you are going to get registered. So I am already logged in this website, and to expose you men how this works, to begin with, you want to create Clickbank account. In case you are new to Clickbank, in case you don't know what is Clickbank, it's Miles Associate Network, in which they permit you guys to promote a few products, sell a few associate products for sincerely high commission. These products have all virtual products. I think 99.9% are digital products. You may make sincerely high commissions on Clickbank associate merchandise, so that you can create account. Click on right here on create account. Here you could see it. They're going to ask you guys for some facts like wherein you stay, what is your country, your name. Final call after that, you are going to be requested to your banking facts, so wherein they're going to send your money, and on the give up account information. So when you're carried out with that, we're going to wait for a little bit. I'm going to reveal you men how you could create loose commercials. So once you're logged in, this is how this internet site seems like. So right here you could see they may be going to offer some top rate ad for $5. However, we're going to create we had been going to create some free advertisements. We're now not going to do paid advertisements on this shape, so that you can see some of the categories that in which you may promote your painting. So permits, go and click a number of the kinds. And the first factor before we do that, what you want to recognition, so that you can see that make money working from home. He has maximum posts, so you would stick with this maximum publish maximum post categories, because meaning numerous humans they are coming for, like right here, shall we say, for make money working from home. So they are searching a way to make money from home. So to reveal men a number of the Clickbank products which are getting promoted right here you may see wait get paid for your opinions, actual carrier, your survey jobs up to date for past to 2019. So right here you can see they are promoting proper here Clickbank product. This is associate link, and I am also going to click on the hyperlink to reveal men which product they may be promoting, and as I said, that is a Clickbank product, and as soon as the signing for this internet site, they may be going to earn fee, so they are going to make around, I suppose, for this product I assume that they are going to earn 39 greenbacks, so for every sale they may be going to earn 39 greenbacks. That may be a lot of money. In order, I stated, normally you need to stay with the categories that are most popular in this website, so this is certainly important because you do not want to promote some random classes on. You don't need to sell some random categories in this categorized internet site due to the fact people are not sincerely involved. And right here you can see they are interested in health associate advertising and marketing journey. However, do business from home is most famous enterprise opportunities so that you can sell some Bitcoin gives right here, but we are going to stick with make money working from home. So I'm going to reveal you men how you can promote and which product ought to you promote in this internet site. So let's click on put up your ad free of charge, so allows click on that. So right here you may see how publishing your list looks as if so they are going to ask you men for a class identify description charge. However, for price you're now not going to put something, and you're going to place your list area, so which is your centered United States. So what you need to go, and that is largely it. So I'm going to reveal you guys which merchandise should you sell from Clickbank on this internet site. So first issue is you want to click on associate marketplace, after which you need to cross and click on employments and jobs. So here you can see these are writing jobs. So for this writing job, if you get sale for this writing task, if someone buys this product, you may earn as much as $157 per sale. So right here you see this for this job to take snapshots, you could earn fee of 199 greenbacks. So to see this, that is the maximum thrilling one, because quite a few human beings are promoting this product. They are making a number of income. So you want to move and click on discipline web page so you can see some exclusive gives that additionally they offer for this promoting. So right here you could see video game testers. So if someone is interested in testing video games and they buy this offer from you on common in keeping with sale, you can earn $79 for this to take photographs activity. If a person buys it, you can understand those $6 get paid it to your opinion. So that is survey process for surveyed SQs. Salmon buys through your affiliate hyperlink, you may earn $51. So what you want to do is you need to area all of these jobs. There are a variety of jobs. These kinds of jobs you need to region on Clickbank on categorized website. So right here you may see this provide is from 2008. So that is an antique provide. Numerous human beings already promoted it, and also this due to the fact it is vintage, there is a lot of agreed with on this enterprise. So I might stick with selling simplest those products on classified or website. So the way to promote this offer writing process as an instance permits click on promote and allows generate our warm link into your person call identity. Click on generate warm link, and we want to copy it right here so that you could publish our listing. You want to pick which class you want to you need to promote. So we are going to stick with a work from home writing process description. So for description you can create, you could take something they'd an affiliate page. Let's have a look at if they have got something I suppose that you really need to create. Perhaps they have a few email swipes or something like that. Right here you can see they right here additionally they provide some of the pics that you can placed on your internet site. However, they do not have any email swipes. This is in reality awful. I don't simply like that, so that you want to create your very own textual content, and right here you can see 100 participants in line with month. You can earn $1,350 income in step with month, and every year you can earn 16,000 greenbacks from this 100 members in line with month. So it's far absolutely clean to get those contributors, because they right here first have a loose trial. They offer unfastened trial for handiest $1, and if they stick with the provide, they may be going to get billed for a few other limitations. So this is how you're going to make your most of your cash. So we are going to promote this offer and you really want to create a few text like in case you're looking to make money from your private home, your own home, then writing job is best for you, and you have to create a few longer tags explaining why writing activity is the high quality one for them, and at the cease you could area your associate link. Can use some hyperlink shorteners to create this link appearance lots better. In case you don't like how it looks like, you could go and use bit.ly or tinyurl to make this hyperlink look a touch bit better. So UK we don't want to head with UK, we want to awareness on USO and on the stop. Please visit our internet site software program that is in which your associate link is going to be clickable, so you can place for example YouTube video or something like that. However, we're going to position our affiliate link. You may see your ad posted to 1,000 somatically, so this is really great in that they have a few other greater gives. They want to upsell you, they want you to shop for something from them, but we are going to click on no thanks, I don't need any greater publicity for my advert proper. Now I need to post a free advert, so we want to just go with loose advert for now, and after that, after we make some cash, you can go and buy some different applications right here. However, right now, until you are making any income, any money from this approach, you want to stick with no thanks. I do not want any publicity for my head proper. Now I just need to put up a free ad, so after you're performed with that, still they stated you could drop a photo right here. You could go and take this photo, for instance. You may, I assume I love this one, so that you can go download this image proper right here, upload it on this labeled website fee. You don't want to put something, or you could place the rate of the product, which is I think $1 for first 7 days, but we do not need to put something. We were going to stay with no price, and at the give up you want to simply click on post, so you need your they also asked you guys to pick out the town, but you don't need to do it. You could simply go together with USA, so the main attention goes to be America, and you can go and pick which one you want to go. If you want to target something else, and you can, as I stated, post a couple of commercials on this internet site, which is really notable. They may be going to publish your ads on a whole lot of location. Lots of site visitors are going to return in your ads. A lot of people are going to see your advertisements, and numerous humans are going to click to your commercials. So I think that is actually exceptional way to get started out with Clickbank to earn your first commission. So guys, that is it for ultra modern video. If you need to look greater movies like this, greater motion pictures with free commercials, make sure to press that like button. Also, in case you want to see loose video for anybody who wants to start online business affiliate advertising commercial enterprise, make sure to click the primary hyperlink in the description, and you are going to see a web page like this. So make sure to enter your call and for your fine email cope with, and I'm going to ship you guys the video, the high quality approach to make money online. And also, in case you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe